How to change fonts on Instagram bio. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change fonts on your Instagram bio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your phone and then you have to search for IG fonts. Then here you have to go to this website igfonts.io, Instagram fonts generator. So open this website and then here in the top you have to write whatever you want you to write in your Instagram bio. So here for example I'm just gonna write my YouTube channel's name, Whizz, and then here you will see, and you can scroll down here you will see different types of font style. So for example, if I want to add this type of font style in my bio, so what you have to do is you have to press and hold the font and then select all the fonts and tap on copy. Now after copying it, open your Instagram, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, then here in the bio paste that, then tap on check in the top right corner, then again tap on check in the top right corner, and you can see here that I have added this in my bio in different type of fonts. So this is how you can change fonts on your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching.